welcome back to my channel Safe and Sami. Today we are going to do something different. I am going to show how to draw a waterfall. Let's get started. I'm going to take a pencil. First we need to make one line. And like this one's okay. We will go sleeping line. First we will make a line, then we will curve straight and again sleeping line. Then one shape like this one curve, go down. Then one sleeping line inside, so we will go down one curve. I think that will be too long. Now we got the mountain. Let's do some grass. So we'll put like one line like this is okay. That will be enough. Another line here. One line here. One line here. Now it's a waterfall. So we are going to do the water. First, one straight line. Now we are going to do the details inside the water. Just like the small lines, they'll be okay. Like this. Then one small one here. Then can do the shape of the water in the down. First it will be like zigzag. Then 3 also here will be now. We got the water. Now let's do some grass. First let's do the detail of the mountain. Hold your small curve like that. Then here also like this. Now here's something we have to do. We can do this. Then we can do. That'll be okay. Now let's do the grass. Some grass will be here. Some grass will be here. Then one grass will be here. And here. Then here will be bigger. Really big. Okay. Now we got, this is not fire, this is the grass. Now you will understand if I put it to you. So let's start it. So no damage is the body. Okay. Now let's color. Now let's give the color. For the mountain we'll give grey, but I don't have grey, so I'm going to use the pencil to lightly shade it. Now I finished the gray part. Now I'm going to do the dark green for the grass. So we're going to take a little time to vision that the mountain was so big. Just observe not that much big. But here. Next, discuss. Here, discuss. Okay, that glasses. Discuss. Last class. Now I'm done with the grass. Now I need light blue for the water. Now I finished the water. The last thing is the grass that is here. I'm going to use light green. Last color. More lighter from the dark green. So more lighter. Now already I finished this. Now I finish my waterfall. I'm going to show. I hope you liked the video. Give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.